welcome to Yum and Telecona.
Today we're going to open 2 boxes of Kinder Joy. Each box has 3 eggs featuring minions.
Yeah, featuring minions.
Okay, let's open them.
You want to open your book? Yeah.
Let's see. How about we open both boxes? Let me open yours, okay? And then you're going to open your eggs.
Okay. So here.
So we have
There you go.
6 eggs. We have 6 eggs to open for you today.
Yeah, but
And let's open them one by one.
Yeah,
Aya
okay.
first.
okay. Oh yeah.
Do you need help? And we have our plate ready for our chocolate.
If you can get a chocolate or a toy. Open.
The chocolate has Rice Krispies and cocoa and white chocolate. Let's open it.
And see what's inside the egg.
This is our first time to open
big.
these eggs.
It's big. We never opened these eggs before.
Look, is this for your chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to open that, Taylor?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Let me see your chocolate. So it's white chocolate with crispy hazelnut and cocoa.
Open it.
So that's your spoon,
It's
Liam.
red. It's red.
And then ooh, look. What is this?
You build it together.
It's a ring.
You build it. It's a ring. That means, yeah. I did the ring. Yeah. I ring.
Look, and you stick this.
Uh-oh.
You stick this sticker. Uh-oh. Okay. You stick this sticker on the ring, Taylor. Give it to me. So we can put it. Where is it?
Okay,
Give me the ring first, Aya.
Okay, it's time to open this Kinder egg now.
Hold on.
Oh man, where's my toy? Let me open it. Where's my
Let's put it
toy?
there.
There's a toy. No, that's not my toy. That's toy. It's the ring. Mommy,
Yeah, it's your ring.
Let's open mine now.
Okay.
Mommy, I
Next.
hope mine is a toy.
No, because each egg has a toy and a chocolate.
Okay.
Half toy, half chocolate.
I need
Open
help.
this. This one is the chocolate. You open it later, okay? And this one is your toy. Open it. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. This is the chocolate. Oops. You want to eat chocolate, Taylor?
No, yeah.
Yeah?
Chocolate.
So this one is your toy.
It's chocolate.
It's,
What is that?
what's that?
What is that thing?
I don't know. Let's see. It's... Oops. What is this?
Okay, I don't.
Oh, you put this one inside and then you can... Do you want to try it?
That's very good. The deck of the chocolate.
Do you want to try it? Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, but that's the thing.
Give it to me so we can
me.
put it together.
But that's help me.
Oh,
Help
where
me.
did you get that?
What? Yeah.
Give it to
It's
me.
because it can't roll down.
Okay, give it to me first.
Help me do it.
Okay, hold on. So you need to connect this one here. Okay. And then you can put your stickers here. So we have some stickers.
Me, he just get the chocolate. That's the chocolate.
You want to get the chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's put this together first. And then the other sticker. Put here. Okay, and then this one, we put this inside here. Like that. And then I think you...
Wow. I want that toy.
Where did it go? Okay, let's look for it.
Oh, Dada!
Okay, here.
Hello, Mama. Help me. Take that out.
You want to eat the chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
So I'm going to show you how my toy works.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it have a pic of the wind here that way, and then it takes it blowing that away.
Okay, next, let's open our third egg.
My finger egg.
Let's open it. Okay, and then we're not gonna open the chocolate first, okay? We're just going to open the toy.
But I want another toy.
Yeah. Oh.
Then that could be my egg.
So this is your chocolate and this is your toy. Do you want to open it?
The mine
Here.
toy. A mine toy. A mine toy.
You want to open yours, Taylor?
Yeah. Another bit.
Oh, so you have one. You have another one, so the other one can be Taylor's. And this egg.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we got a minion!
Oh, that be mine.
Hold on, let me put him.
That be mine. Oh.
We got the caveman minion.
Caveman. Well, caveman. I want a minion.
Okay, let's see. We need to open the other eggs.
Ba,
Maybe you got
ba,
some
ba.
other. So you can collect. So you can collect 8 minions.
Give me it.
See? We got the caveman minion, and we'll see if we can get the others. Here. So how many did you open? 4?
Minion.
We opened 4 eggs. Now we're gonna open the other 2.
Get the mine egg.
Let's see. Let's hope we get another minion. Surprise! We got another one! And another caveman minion. You want to put it
It's
together?
gonna be look, another caveman minion like mine.
Yes. So you have
We have 2
one minion for each of you.
Yeah,
One caveman
we
minion.
have 2.
We're gonna open the last one.
Chocolate.
That's your chocolate. And
That's my
let's
toy.
see what's inside.
That's my toy.
Surprise! It's another ring.
Oh, then that be mine.
So you get a ring and Taylor gets a ring.
Yeah.
You get the roller thingy and Taylor gets the roller thingy. And you get a minion and Taylor gets a minion.
Yeah.
So everybody's happy.
Yeah.
Yay! So let's put this together
Yeah.
first. Here, and then where's your sticker, Taylor? Did you get your sticker out?
Huh?
Did you get your sticker for your roller?
Yeah.
No?
No.
So you just put this here. And then here, if you push it, it's gonna... Ooh! Good job. I hope you like our surprise egg.
Yeah,
Which one is your favorite?
That's it. Make sure to click on the subscribe button down on our feet. Please subscribe.